Hi, to change language on your Samsung Galaxy S25, all you have to do is to find and open Settings. From here, choose General Management. And after that, simply pick Language. Now you would see a list of languages which you use for your keyboard, for example. And to change language of the phone, you'll need to tap Add Language. Then choose any from the list. For example, let's use this Czech one. And then we can choose to set this one as default. So let's tap it. And this is how it looks now. If you want to switch back to previous language, you need to press and hold it, then drag on top, and simply use this back arrow. And as you can see, now everything is back to English language. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.